Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 15th, 2019. Well, we have a lot to talk about, so let's dive right into this forecast. High pressure is currently in control throughout the region, with a few flurries trying to approach the Poconos, but that is about it. Temperatures throughout the region range from the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, lower to mid-teens over portions of southern New Jersey. You can thank clear skies, a new fresh snowpack, and light winds for those temperatures. Otherwise, look for upper teens to lower 20s throughout the region, mid-20s in your major urban areas. Temperatures will be rising today through the mid to upper 30s as high pressure will be in control with clear skies. On the latest satellite picture, sky cloud cover pretty much is in place here. We have a few weak cold fronts that are going to be moving through over the next 48 hours, producing some scattered cloud cover, but that is about it. When you take a look at the latest surface map again, you see one cold front here, another one is moving through southern Canada that will be moving through the Great Lakes and over our region tomorrow with scattered cloud cover, some snow showers further north, perhaps a passing snow flurry around the Hudson River Valley. And then we have another area of low pressure will be approaching the region by the time we get to Thursday evening onto Friday morning. That will produce a little bit of light snow for the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for high pressure in place with sky cloud cover, highs in the mid to upper 30s. For tonight, look for sky cloud cover with temperatures falling into the upper teens to lower 20s away from the coast and lower to mid 20s everywhere else. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a passing flurry. Lows, highs in the mid to upper 30s. Now on Thursday, high pressure will be in place in the morning with clear skies. Look for lows in the lower to mid 30s. Highs in the lower to mid 30s towards the evening as this low pressure system approaches. Initially, everyone starts off with some light snow, but along the coast, because of the low pressure track basically moving from the Ohio River Valley to the Philadelphia Metro and through the Delaware River Valley and then off towards southern New England, that's going to lead to a southeasterly wind, and that's going to warm up the atmosphere and allow for that snow to mix over to rain along the coast. So snow accumulations will likely be around trace to maybe an inch on some cold surfaces. To the north and west of this low pressure track, though, basically looking at 2 to 4 inches of snow that can be expected. So by Friday morning, you're talking about a trace to maybe an inch of some cold surfaces. Watch out for some slick roadways on Friday morning in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. To the north and west of the major cities, look for about 2 to 4 inches of snow, like for areas like Harrisburg, Hershey, just north of Lancaster, Scranton, Allentown, up towards Hartford, northwestern New Jersey. That's where you'll see a nice little burst of light snow. Now, is this an appetizer or is there more to come? Well, on Saturday, high pressure will be in place, okay? This high pressure system is going to be very important in how it evolves. This is an Arctic air mass. So on Saturday, look for cold air to build in with scattered to broken cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. Depending on how this high pressure system sets up, let's say it sets up around the St. Lawrence River Valley. While this low pressure system loaded with moisture will be heading right into that cold air mass on Saturday night into Sunday morning. If the high pressure system basically focuses over the northern plains, then you allow warm air to surge up along the coast and snow changes over to rain. And your temperatures will spike as this low pressure system tracks right over the coastal plain. However, if this high pressure system is more focused around the, let's say, St. Lawrence River Valley, this low pressure system is going to track further off the coast. Now, there's a lot of other factors in the upper levels to go over on this that we'll be watching very carefully, but I'm kind of giving you the most basic idea of what is going to influence this low pressure system. There's a lot more behind the scenes, but the overall theme is this. If this low pressure system tracks over the coastal plain, you're looking at an intense heavy snowfall over the interior. So those of you in the Poconos waiting for snowfall, this is your storm. However, along the coast, enough warm air will push in to allow that wintry mix, which everyone will start off with at least some snow, will change over to rain. However, if this low pressure system tracks off the coast rather than on the coast, then that allows that Arctic air to stay in place and lock in. And if that happens, you're talking about a very icy mess on Sunday, with heavy snow changing over to sleet and freezing rain and then back over to snow. So just a mess on Sunday. All of that leaves on Monday with temperatures free falling into the single digits for lows. So this is the type of cold air we're talking about behind this storm, and mid to upper teens for highs. Understand that the high temperatures on Sunday will directly be impacted by the track of this low pressure system. Some locations, if the low is along the coast, could fall from the mid 50s into the single digits once the storm starts to pull away or push to your west, to your east, should I say. If that if that low pressure system stays off the coast, you don't see 50s, you see at most upper 20s to lower 30s, thus the ice threat. So there's a lot to work out here, okay? But just to kind of give you the nature of the cold air behind and just to the west of this low pressure system track, you're talking about low temperatures on Monday in the single digits on the coast, below freezing over the interior. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in control, sky cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid-teens, highs in the mid to upper 20s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.